Hello friends, today we're going to discuss how to convert a ASP.NET website project to the ASP.NET web application. There is so many times there is required when we require the convert a website to the web application. There is some advantage when we convert a website project into the web application. So we will discuss all of them in this video. So here I have a simple website, simple 3-page website. There is no bin folder and very simple website I take to convert a website to the web application project. So first of all, we have to check this website is working fine or not. I'm just going to build website. You can see it is built successful, and I'm just going to run it to check how it is working. It is working fine. Okay, just I said as a startup page. Yeah, we can see that it is working well and fine. So I am going to be converted. So first of all, I have to add a ASP.NET web application project. I'm just adding new project. You can see there is the option web, and in a web options you can see there is a web form application. Empty, if you add a empty web application, so I just going to be add empty web application because of I have to add the content in that empty website. So I just set the location path. Okay, web application 3. You can see new web application we have added in the same solutions, and I am just going to copy all the content of that website and paste into that web application. So for that, sometime we have a very long content file, very long list of the content file in a website project, like we can have 100 web forms or several folders in our website. So it's difficult to select one by one. So for that, just select the one page of the content and press Shift key and press Shift and click last file. Then you can see that in a 2 click we can select all the file of the project, and I am just copying this file and paste into you can see a file with the name web config already as it exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes. You can see all the contents comes into the new web applications, and you can check it is converted or not. See, there is the same structure, so it is not converted. You can see there is a ASPX file and there is a AXPX.cs file. So after copying all the content, then second step is just to take the all the references which you required for that application. For example, sometime you have used third party DLLs, sometime you have used some DLLs include the website. So that DLL should be referenced by right click of reference, and you can browse from the bin folder. If possible, you can add the .NET assemblies. So after take the reference, in my case I don't have any extra references, so I don't need to be add any extra references. After add the references, you can just convert a website into the web application. For example, I am using Visual Studio 2012, and in such a case we can see I have an option convert to web application. For example, if you have higher version of Visual Studio 2012, you can see convert to web application option in a project tab. In a last tab, see see in a last option in a project tab, convert to web application. But in my case, I am using Visual Studio 2012, so I can see this option on the right click of the project. So I am just converting it, and message we can see here. This action will add designer and code behind file required for the converting website project to website application project. Do you want to continue? So I click yes. You can see project converted. Sometime it take a few minutes if we have a very complex and long project. So you can see there is a ASPX file, there is a ASPX file, there is ASPX designer.cs file. So it is successful converted. Then you can remove your website project from that solution. You can see the website project removed, and we have only ASP.NET website application project. So just check it is converted rightful or successful. Just I am going to be build this application. You can see it is built successfully, and I am going to execute same application. I am just select default as a set a start page, and I am just executing. You can see it is successfully executed page, and we can show our SQL table on front end. So it means it is successfully converted to a web application from the website application. There is some advantage when we convert a website project to the web application, because of in a website all the CS file compile into a single assembly, while in a web application we can have a different assembly for the each page. It is very easy when we sometime in a website there is a long website, and there is like 100 pages. So in such a case, if you make a small changes in a particular page, so in case of ASP.NET web applications, when we publish the applications, you have the option to create a separate DLL for the each file. So you have to replace only that particular page DLL on which you have changed. So this is a main advantage when we work on a ASP.NET web application. so we don't need to replace all the patches on the web server. Another advantage is in a website you can have another advantage is that there is a one more advantage with website project. In website project you can have two files with a two different language in the same website, but in case of web application a project file associated with a particular language, so that you can add only single language files. For example, I converted this web application in a C# language. So when we going to add a new item in that website project, like I am going to be add new item. So you can see I have only visual C# option. There's no option when we when we add a Visual Basic files. So in case of website, for example, so I take in a separate Visual Studio. In the first Visual Studio we have a web application ASP.NET, and second Visual Studio we have a ASP.NET website. So when we going to add a new item in a website, you can see we have a two option: Visual C# and Visual Basic. We can add both type of the file in a single website project, and it is not a it cannot be create a problem when we execute a different language files in a website. So but in a web application we have only single language options, because the project file associated with a particular programming language. These are the some advantage and disadvantage of the website project and the web application project. And another, like a website project that contain info about its item. For example, when we see, like I converted it as a website web application 3. Okay, so we can see there is a project file that contain, like this is a project file that contain the project information, project content information. So when we going to, for example, I close it, like I close a web application, I want to open it, just click on the project file and you can see it is open. Also there is a solution file. When we going to save it, okay, it is saved. You can see when we save it, this is also create a solution file. So by the solution file also you can open the web application. So I hope you guys understand how to convert a ASP.NET website project into a web application. And one more challenge you can face in when we convert a website project into a web application, like sometime you use a very complex design in a website, like you are using a panel, some kind of different complex third-party controls. So in such a case, when we convert a website project to the web application, you might get the challenges. You have to solve according your challenge. And sometime you also get challenges in a design. Sometime design file does not fully converted because of you can see here, sometime design file basically have the information about the ASP.NET page controls. so sometimes it does not converted properly, and we have to solve on the base of the on the base of the challenges, what kind of challenges we face in a design related. So sometimes you get challenges related to third party references, so we have to also solve according that. So these are some other kind of challenges you can face when we convert a website project to the web application project. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you know as well a basic idea of how to convert a website project to the web application.